Matthew 28. When day break for Sabbath day, wey be the first day for the week, Mary Magdalene and the other Mary come go look the grave. At once, strong earthquake happen because God angel come down from heaven, roll the stone comot come sit down on top am. And face be like thunder light, and him cloth white like snow. The guards come dey shake, and dem be like people wey wan die, because fear catch them well. But the angel tell the women, make una no fear. I know say una dey look for Jesus Christ wey dem nail for cross. He no dey here because God don wake am up, just as God promise. Make una come see the place where he lie down put before. Then make una quick go tell him disciples say God don raise am from death, and he dey go wait for una for Galilee. Una go see am for there. Make una remember say I tell una so. So dem run comot from the grave with fear, and dem come dey happy as dem dey go tell him disciples. But Jesus Christ meet dem for road, come tell dem, I greet una o. Dem dress near am, hold him leg, come worship am. Then Jesus Christ tell dem, make una no fear, but tell my brothers make dem go Galilee, and dem go see me for there. As dem dey go, some for the guards go inside the town, go tell the priest oga dem everything wey happen. After dem don gather and plan with the elders, dem come give the soldiers plenty money, come tell dem say, make una talk say, Jesus Christ disciples come thief him body for night when we dey sleep. If the governor hear about this matter, we know wetin to tell am, and una no go enter trouble. So dem take the money, come do as the elders tell am. People still dey talk this story for everywhere where Jew people dey, come reach today. So the 11 disciples come go Galilee for the mountain where Jesus Christ tell them. When dem see am, dem worship am, but some among them come dey doubt. Then Jesus Christ waka near come tell them, God don give me all the power wey dey heaven and earth. So make una go, make people my disciples for the whole world. They baptize them with the Papa, the Pikin, and the Holy Spirit name. They teach them to do everything where I teach una. I go always dey with una until the world go end.
This na Greywood Whispers. Voice wey no loud, but get sense.